Hey guys, this is Fundom on Wanshopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Zetulele announced his relationship with Sibongile to Mandlovu. And Mandlovu know about the relationship of Zetulele and Sibongile after she swear a footage camera on Punyuga. And it seems like Mandlovu is hard to accept the relationship of Sibongile and Zuthelele after Zuthelele don't do their divorce with Noxola. Lindo and Lindiwe comes to face at the harbor and they fight, and Lindiwe tell Lindo that it's her who take Clavia, and they beat down in shows. Tando tells Shira that Mira is fake her pregnancy, and it seems like Shira is happy. He know it. While Zetulele and Sbongile hit someone with his car. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.